Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest web design tips to make your online presence shine. Today, we're diving into how to add a calendar in Weebly 2025. If you're running a website for events, appointments, or even a personal blog, adding a calendar can make things so much easier for your visitors. We'll walk you through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have a fully functional calendar up and running. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Weebly account set up. If you don't, head over to Weebly's website and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, open your website editor. This is your dashboard for all the magic. Step 1. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Weebly's App Center is packed with tools, and that's where you'll find the calendar options. In 2025, Weebly has updated its interface for even smoother integration, so look for the search bar at the top. Step 2. Type calendar into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a few options, like the built-in Weebly calendar app or third-party ones from partners. I recommend starting with the official Weebly one for simplicity. Click on it to view details. Step 3. Hit the Add button to install the app. Weebly will prompt you to confirm, so go ahead and do that. Once it's added, you'll be taken to a customization page where you can tweak settings, like choosing your calendar's color scheme, adding events, or linking it to Google Calendar for seamless syncing. Step 4. Drag and drop the calendar element onto your desired page in the editor. Position it where it makes sense, maybe in a sidebar or at the top of your events page. Don't forget to save your changes, always a good habit. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything looks perfect, then publish it live. And there you have it. Your Weebly site now has a dynamic calendar that your visitors can interact with. If you run into any issues, check Weebly's Help Center or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.